Well, another day out here in the frozen north. Still haven't found that perfect cave, but we keep looking. Check this out, snow for miles and a frozen lake up ahead. This is prime wilderness content, folks. This ice is solid. If I fall in, y'all better hit that like button at least. You have to be very, very quiet. Don't want to scare the fish. Oh, got one. Look at this little guy. Yeah, first fish of the day. Dinner. Nothing like fresh fish cooked over an open fire. It's important to stay nourished out here in the woods. This fish is good. You gotta try campfire cooking.